Hi everyone, my name is Steele and I'm one of the engineers here at JobFlow. I'm going to walk you through a series of videos about the BraiderBot. In this first video, we're going to talk about what we add when we upfit your braider. So as we open this up, you'll notice that this probably looks very familiar. This is just the standard NEB 24 carrier style braider that we are adding components to. To begin, we're going to look at the robotic arms. These arms with their belt drive system help to pull the harness through when you're braiding in automatic mode and on a straight run. As we're pulling the harness through, we're using a sensor inside the tube that watches for branches and terminations in the harness. And next, we're going to look at our cone angle sensors that we're using to watch that cone angle to get ourselves a nice, clean, consistent braid. Lastly, we have an upgraded electronic controls package that we're adding to the machine. This allows us to talk to our sensors and our arms and the braider, which allow for your employee to walk away from the machine while it's braiding in automatic mode. I look forward to showing you more in future videos.